Hey everyone, welcome back to LyraTech. Today we're diving deep into the DREAME L50 Ultra, a premium robot vacuum and mop aiming to completely automate your floor cleaning. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's start by looking at how well the L50 Ultra actually cleans. First, its 500 Pascal suction power is truly top tier, ensuring thorough debris pickup from any surface. Mopping capability is strong, with hot water pad washing, solution refill, and dual flex arm cleaning. It intelligently manages carpets with 5 distinct modes, including liftable or removable mops for different pile types. And obstacle avoidance is reliable, using AI and 3D light to detect over 180 types of objects, preventing bumps. Starting with cleaning prowess, the L50 Ultra delivers powerful suction and versatile mopping for any home. Beyond cleaning, the L50 Ultra aims for ultimate convenience and minimal user intervention. The PowerDock is excellent, handling auto-emptying for 100 days, hot water mop washing, and solution refills. Navigation and mobility are strong thanks to the ProLeap system, letting it easily cross thresholds up to 6 centimeters. Maintenance effort is nearly zero daily, with the dock managing all dust and mop cleaning truly hands-off. However, the overall value is a clear trade-off. The $849 price tag means this premium experience requires a significant investment. In automation and convenience, the L50 Ultra minimizes interaction, but this high level of tech comes. So, the DREAME L50 Ultra is an impressive piece of engineering. If you're looking for one of the most hands-off, feature-rich robot cleaners on the market and are prepared for the premium price tag, this DREAME L50 Ultra could be exactly what you need.